All right, everybody, welcome back. My name is Miss Nunes, and I am a computer science teacher working primarily with middle school students this year. We are working our way through the AI and machine learning unit in code.org, and today we're going to take a look at lesson 4, patterns in data. So, overview, explore 3 different ways computers can make recommendations and how important data can be in making accurate decisions. So there's a video for you to watch, and there's an activity guide that we're going to fill in, and then we have 4 levels. So I'm going to open level 1, and while that's opening, let's go take a look at the activity guide. So overview. A survey has been given to 500 people to help decide what types of shoes to recommend. Using the data, you need to identify any patterns or trends in the data that can help our model make predictions. We should look for hotspots in the data where there are large clusters of answers, then use that to identify trends. Question 1. Where do you plan to spend time today? So bed, city, indoors, nature. All right. And then cowboy boots, Crocs, dress shoes, sandals, tennis shoes, work boots. So for those who were planning to spend the day in bed, we had 16 say that they would wear sandals and 13 said that they would wear Crocs. For those who were going into the city today, we had 47 that said they would wear tennis shoes, 40 who said they wore work boots, 10 who said they wear sandals, 15 dress shoes, 6 Crocs, and 23 cowboy boots. All right. Indoors, so not necessarily in bed, but indoors at least. 50 said that they would be in dress shoes, so I'm guessing businesses, offices, etc. 88 said that they would wear tennis shoes. Go teachers. 10 said that they would wear work boots, 18 sandals, 10 Crocs, and 14 cowboy boots. Okay. And then those who said that they were going out into nature, we had 47 wear work boots, 28 sandals, 19 Crocs, 15 cowboy boots, 17 tennis shoes, and 28 sandals. All right. So you can see that the more numbers, the higher the number, the darker the color, right? So overall, the most answers for anywhere on here was this 88. So those who were going to be indoors, but not in bed, just indoors, said that they would be wearing tennis shoes. So that was our largest number out of all the people who were asked about it. All right, so what is a trend you can find in the data? Use it to complete the sentence. People who answer blank also tend to wear blank. So people who pick one of these 4 answers most likely will be wearing which kind of apparel. All right. And so if we go look at level 1, this is the shoe recommender app. So it says shoe recommender. This app uses a computer model to help make a decision about what shoes to wear. There are 4 different recommendations the app can make for what shoes to wear. So do this. Run the app several times. See if you can get each of the 4 recommendations. Make a prediction. How do you think this app is making its decisions? So we're going to run it. Recommend shoes. So they recommend slippers. All right, we're going to do another recommendation. Cowboy boots. All right. Slippers again. All right, dress shoes. Okay. Slippers again. Slippers again. Dress shoes. So making a prediction, how do you think they're making these recommendations? Well, is that in our activity guide? Nope, not yet. So we were just playing with that level. Okay, cool. All right, so that's level 1. Let's see. You should be able to answer question 1 based off of what we've already talked about. So I'm going to say answer question 1, look at level 1, and then let's move on to level 2 and see what that holds in store for us. Here we go.